5 minutes. Follow my lead. I got all the regressions right over here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, 5 minutes. Okay. Now I'm gonna lay down, preferably on something that's not metal graded flooring. That's why hopefully this sweatshirt will help me out a little bit here. Okay. Now I'm gonna start off with, I guess they're called 100s. I don't know names that well. I just know the movements themselves. So you're gonna have 45-degree angle legs. Okay. You're gonna have your hands out to your sides, and you're gonna tuck your chin and bring your neck up while keeping your back flat against the ground. Here, let me move over a little bit so you can see the regressions from my other self. There we go. Hopefully this is a good frame. Okay, there we go. So each round is 1 minute. Basically, you're flattening out your lower back and you're tapping down to the floor and up. Works your lower abs. All right, we're gonna switch to something else. Clamshells, that's what it was. All right, let's see. Now, clamshells are good for your glutes. They are good for your hips, and they're good for rehabilitating your knees as well. Okay, so you're here, stack your feet, open up your knees, squeeze. You should feel it right back here. Okay, squeeze. Do 30 seconds one side, 30 seconds the other. Obviously, I'm showing you guys, but you get the idea. Put it in my pocket, my keys. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Squeeze. Try to get your knee up as high as you can, and squeeze so you feel it right back here, right back here, right back here. Okay, and I'll show the different variations right over here. Okay, that's all set. Now we're gonna do something called roll ups. Gonna lay down flat. Okay, now we're gonna have your feet just like we had them before. Actually, no, your feet are all the way down. That's right. Put your hands above your head and then roll up one vertebrae at a time. Like a full setup, but in slow motion. Okay, make sure you have something soft under your back. Okay, nice and controlled. I guess that's the most important part about Pilates as well. All right, I just never knew it as Pilates. I just knew it as other exercises to do. Okay, we got 10 seconds. All right, good. Nice and controlled. Woo, I'm feeling that. All right, back to the first one. 30-second rounds now. 45 your feet, or your knees rather. Hands out to the sides. Try to go past your heels if you can, or at least to your heels if you're doing this variation, that is. Woo, feeling it already. Now, if you want to switch it a little bit, you could kind of do one side at a time, and it'll work your obliques more. All right, we're done with those. What was the other one? Clamshells. That's what. Okay. So stack your knees. 15 seconds one side, 15 seconds the other. Ideally, you'll be quicker at this than I am. All right, I'm already over the time. Switch. This is just meant to give you guys an idea. But I reset the timer. That's okay. We only have like a minute left anyway. Okay. Good. Now let's go to the last roll up. Okay. You're here. One vertebrae at a time. All the way up. Good. All the way up. Woo! Feeling that. So these exercises, and normally we do a cool down at the last 30 seconds, but that's okay. I reset by mistake. Just go all the way through. It's okay. So with these exercises, this series is called 5 and 15. 5-minute workouts on my 15-minute break. It's all about putting in 5 minutes of work 1 to 5 times per day. Okay. 10 seconds left. So the idea is to start doing these short burst workouts whenever you could fit them into the day. All right. So basically you do them whenever you can until it becomes a habit. So that's the idea behind these. I got a whole playlist full of them. This is, I think, the 31st video like this I've done. If you have any other ideas for exercises you'd like to see, Pilates or whatever it may be, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. I'm all about learning together and growing the channel, helping you grow, helping you get stronger, helping you make exercise your lifestyle, especially if your life is busy. So I thank you guys for joining me today. If you enjoyed and you learned something, leave a like and comment down below. It really helps the channel out. And make sure you check out my affiliate links down below. I'll get a small commission, but every penny I make from this channel goes right back into it with more quality, better quality content. I will see you guys on Friday. Have a good day now. If you want to see a good workout to pair, you could click right here, or you could click the playlist right here.